Good afternoon, everyone. Today, truly, new hope is on the horizon as the first shipment of this vaccine has arrived in South Florida, and the first healthcare workers in Miami-Dade have now received the vaccine. So these are our healthcare heroes and sheroes, and they have stepped up to the plate. This is truly a huge and historic step forward for our first responders who have been on the front lines for many, many months at great personal risk to themselves and to putting their families as well at risk. You may know I've recently recovered myself from COVID. My husband, a physician, caught it from a patient, so I know firsthand. I join our entire community in thanking and saluting these healthcare workers and all of the first responders, our police, our firefighters. They have sacrificed to keep us safe for the last 10 months. And we are so proud that Jackson was selected as one of the very first hospitals in the United States to receive the vaccine so that we can turn the page on this new chapter in our fight against the pandemic. So we've been working hard as a team, Miami-Dade County with Jackson, and we will be rolling out the communications effort with your help in the coming weeks and months to educate the community about the safety and the effectiveness of this vaccine. We're going to answer the questions and concerns from the public. We're going to share stories and experiences of the healthcare workers who have received the vaccine. And our goal is simply to build public trust and confidence, because until we do, we will not be able to eradicate this disease. We must make sure that everybody understands that the green light is here for the public to begin receiving the vaccine very soon, and we will be ready. It's important to remember that this is a huge and complex undertaking by federal, state, and local governments, and that we are still many months away from widespread community immunity. So the arrival of the vaccine gives us hope, but it does not mean we are out of the woods. We must continue over the next several months in this critical time period to take all of the steps. And let us remember, 4,000 have died. We just passed that benchmark right here in Miami-Dade County. 4,000 people. And across the nation, 300,000 people. Yesterday, that number was reached. And we are adding 2,000 new cases every 24 hours right here in Miami-Dade County. So getting complacent doesn't put ourselves out of the picture. It puts us only more at risk, and it puts our families and our neighbors and our coworkers and our friends at risk too. So the only way to keep our county and our economy moving is to stop the spread of the disease by taking all of the essential steps, the ones that we know work: wearing our masks, practicing social distance, washing our hands, disinfecting, following all of the public health precautions. So especially during this festival time, the festive holiday days, when we are gathered with our loved ones, this is the way, this is the time to be outdoors in the beautiful weather of South Florida, to enjoy this incredible paradise. It is one of our greatest assets, our environment and our weather, and it is a key part of how we will stay safe over this holiday season. So my administration will continue to do everything we can to protect our residents, our businesses, and we urge our community to continue to follow all of the public health precautions. I encourage all of you to get involved. We have a campaign that's very simple and easy to participate. We can, we will, podemos y lo haremos. It's on social media, and it helps to amplify the message across our community. So to all of the residents of Miami-Dade County, please stay safe. Please take care of yourselves and each other. We can and we will get through this together.